How to turn off low cache mode on PNC, right? So just go to Google, search for PNC Bank and hit the enter bar. Click on your PNC personal banking, and here on the top right you will get this option of sign in. Here you have to enter your user ID as well as your password and click on login. Now after that you have to navigate to the account settings. So once logged in, look for an account settings on preferences option. This is usually found in the top menu or under a profile. So here on the top right you will find your profile. Click over there and navigate to your account settings, right? And within the account setting, locate the low cache mode setting, which will usually you will find it there. This may be under a section related to alerts, notification, or account management. Disable low cache mode. So once you find it, you should see an option to turn it off or disable it. Click on this option and confirm. If you just need to verify that yes, I want to disable it. Now save the changes and verify the changes. Finally, verify the low cache mode has been turned off by checking your account settings again by containing PNC customer support for confirmation. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.